The kitchen is one of the most important places in any house. Also, it's where most work would be going on. It will be easier to do those if there were gadgets that would make it easy for you. In this video, we're going to go over 30 kitchen gadgets that will make your life easier. The links to these products are in the description below. Number 1. KYA23 Golden Titanium Knife Set. Each knife has a golden titanium coating, creating a soothing gold color effect. Each forged knife has a high-carbon stainless steel blade that keeps the knife's ultra-sharp edge and allows easy cutting through food. A chef's knife, slicing knife, bread knife, santoku knife, fine edge efficiency knife, trimming knife, 6-piece serrated steak knives, all-purpose kitchen shears, and a modern acrylic knife stand is included in this 14-piece kitchen knife set. This $50 set is another Amazon choice. Number 2. Large stainless steel 4-side grater slicer with handle. This magnificent multi-purpose grater has 4 sides. Different pieces such as sliced, thick wire, filament and milled can be cut on all 4 sides. We guarantee this grater will meet your needs, and you will not need to purchase another one. This golden grater has a luxurious appearance and is ergonomically designed and gripped. $20 is a reasonable price. Number 3. Highware 10 pieces of fiberglass chopsticks. These are heat-resistant glass chopsticks of the highest quality. As a result, it does not have the metallic taste of metal chopsticks, the bore of wooden chopsticks, or the unhealthy quality of plastic chopsticks. At the same time, it is completely BPA-free, as there is no coating or painting. The angular, non-cylindrical shape of the chopsticks keeps them from rolling through your fingers. Even inexperienced users will appreciate the excellent grip. So hurry up, because $7.64 has nothing to do with the quality of this product. Number 4. Flamiston 150-pack biodegradable golden paper straws. A pack of 150 plain gold paper drinking straws, 7.76 inches long and 0.24 inches in diameter, is perfect for your glamorous side. These straws add a touch of sophistication to any occasion. These are made entirely of biodegradable materials and will decompose in 60 to 90 days. Don't worry, it won't dissolve in your drink. These come in a sturdy cardboard box. These gold straw papers are a better alternative to plastic straws and thus better for our planet. Purchase yours for only $8. Number 5. 20-piece refrigerator magnets. The adorable gold pushpin magnets are ideal for refrigerator magnets or metallic cupboards. The gold pushpin magnet is strong enough to hold 19 sticky notes. The pushpin appeal has 3 layers of protective coating: gold paint, nickel, and copper. This protects pushpin interests from corrosion and is long-lasting. Even the supplier allows mass customization, allowing you to create your style of golden magnetic pins. Number 6. Waitman Digital Scale Gram. This is such a classy product. Even we feel intimidated by the luster and look of this golden kitchen gadget. Look at the price. $14 is quite a steal. This is a kitchen weighing scale made of gold. The material with a mirror finish is gold titanium chrome. If you still need to check yourself and have arrived at your golden kitchen, look at this weighing scale. Number 7. Molly Molly Olive Oil Dispenser Bottle for Kitchen. This collection includes 2 high-quality 11.8-ounce glass bottles, 2 gold pourers, a siphon, and a 37 label set. Weighted spouts, the pourers are both aesthetically pleasing and functional. The metal cap forms a tight seal. It automatically opens and closes, preventing dust from falling into the bottles. This is the ideal housewarming gift for both men and women. If you're going to use an oil dispenser, then why not a golden one? These premium dispensers are $23. Number 8. Gerberas Stand Cupcake Liners. This pack of 200 gold foil muffin liners with a 2-inch bottom diameter that fits stand-up cupcakes and muffin pans. Because quality is always a priority, these are made of food-grade foil that is both safe and odorless. Furthermore, the durability is excellent, with wrinkle-free nature to meet your daily bakery needs. Buy this set for $10 to make your parties sparkle. Number 9. Pie weights. Pie weights are tiny ceramic or metal balls that weigh down your pie dough while baked in the blind. This maintains the flat, level pastry that will serve as a bottom of your pie, resulting in layers of crust and filling that is smooth and even. Number 10. Thin spatula. A thin metal spatula is handy for creating extremely delicate baked items, like cut-out cookies or lace cookies. A thin metal spatula removes these cookies from the baking sheet and gently transfers them to the cooling rack. Number 11. Measuring cups. Precision is key while baking, so a complete set of measuring cups and spoons is essential. You'll need both dry and wet measuring cups to measure all your ingredients properly, so don't assume you can just get away with just one type. You'll need these tools frequently, so keep them in an area that is simple to access. Number 12. Cookie scoops. These cheap, tiny creatures are worth it. They make scooping and dividing cookie batches after batch a breeze. They are often available in small, medium and large. Use these to create cookies of any desired size. Number 13. Silpat non-stick baking mats. These reusable baking pan liners are completely non-stick and last a lifetime. Use them instead of parchment paper or aluminium foil for baking cookies, and your cookies will easily release from the pan. Simply wipe down to reuse it for the subsequent batch. Number 14. Kitchen scales. A digital scale is a measuring tool that reads and shows an object's weight. A high-quality digital scale provides a more accurate weight reading than an analog balance scale. The LCD panel on the digital scale offers a more exact and accurate memory capacity and weighing capability. Number 15. Dough whisk. A dough whisk swiftly stirs dough without making your hands messy, unlike a wooden spoon which doesn't agitate very effectively, or a balloon whisk which mixes fine but soon glows up when working with thick combinations. Number 16. Parchment paper. Start using parchment paper for baking right away if you haven't already. When baking, spread a sheet over your pan to simply clean up and stop your baked items from sticking to the pan. A reusable silicone baking mat can be something serious bakers want to buy to be more environmentally friendly. Number 17. Rolling pin guides. These substantial rubber bands fit over the ends of your rolling pin and make it easier to evenly roll out cookies and pie dough without having to estimate. It's like giving your rolling pin training wheels. Number 18. NutriBullet RX N17 1001 blender. This high-powered blender will crush anything you place in it. Twist the blades out easily for cleaning. The 2 cups are dishwasher safe if kept on the top rack. Perfect for the health conscious who enjoy vegetable smoothies or blending fruit with any added nuts, seeds and other superfoods into a smooth beverage. Number 19. Briefton's 7-blade spiralizer. This spiralizer is one of the finest on the market, with 7 labeled blades that always stay ultra sharp. Easy to clean and store, it is perfect for anyone interested in healthy eating, the fastest way to replace carb or calorie-loaded meals with healthy vegetable alternatives. Number 20. Tinana Silicon Cube and Ice Ball Mold Set. These durable silicon ice molds make 6 of the perfect large single cubes and 6 2-inch sphere ice balls for chilling down your favorite bourbon, whiskey, brandy or cocktail spirits without the rapid dilution you get with small traditional ice cubes. A mini funnel is also included to fill the ice ball mold quickly and easily. Number 21. Chef'n Fresh Force Citrus Juicer. A powerful juicer can make all the difference in giving the best refreshing blends for juice enthusiasts. Unlike many machines that can be uncomfortable, the Chef'n Fresh Force Citrus Juicer has an easy-to-use handle that doesn't get tiring when used. Number 22. Alpha Grilla's Garlic Press Stainless Steel Mincer. A garlic mincer comes up with an easy way to crush garlic cloves without using a knife. The mincer is an essential kitchen gadget to own for anyone who puts garlic on anything. The Alpha Grilla's Garlic Press Mincer is a flexible option that helps you create garlic press with a simple squeeze. Number 23. Cuisinart C77SS 15-pack knife block set. These are the knives used by chefs worldwide in professional kitchens. They are the ultimate knife used in kitchens worldwide for their precision and durability, perfect for all aspiring chefs at all levels. Number 24. Mueller Austria Multi-Purpose Hand Blender. The Mueller Ultra Stick is one of the best kitchen gadgets. Whip up delicious treats, cocktails and soups. A robust motor sustains continuous use and has been found to last more than 2 times longer than those used on other stick blenders. Number 25. Frigidaire Nugget Ice Maker. Frigidaire Nugget Ice Maker is a must-have in your kitchen. This self-sterilizing nugget ice machine makes up to 43 pounds of the soft, highly addictive crunchy ice that you get from major restaurant chains like Sonic. Nugget ice makers are best for those who love to chew their ice. Number 26. Zylis Lock and Lift Can Opener. Every kitchen needs a can opener, and this one is a mid-priced, sturdy option that gets the job done. It is compact for easy storage, has a comfortable soft grip, and has a locking mechanism that locks onto the can, which is generally helpful for people with poor grip strength. Number 27. OXO Good Grips Pro Swivel Peeler. A swivel peeler is a primary kitchen gadget, so make sure you purchase one that will last you for years. This peeler is precisely like the Good Grips model shape, but has a slightly better blade and a little more metal. This peeler earns points for how easily and smoothly it peels. Kids would love using it. Number 28. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. With this egg cooker from Dash, you can boil, poach, and even make omelets in a few minutes. It might be your best friend to cook your breakfast when you are short of time, because it can boil 6 eggs simultaneously. Number 29. Ninja Food Processor. Ninja Master Prep is a food processor that also functions as a mixer, a grinder, and a crusher. You may finely chop fresh things like fruits and vegetables, combine frozen goods into smoothies, and make snow out of ice. Number 30. Keurig Coffee Maker. A coffee maker is considered to be one of the best kitchen appliances because it can make coffee in just a few seconds. To ensure the highest quality of coffee, this coffee machine includes 4 K-Cup pods, 1 water filter handle, and 2 water filters. With that, we've come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more videos like this, click on the links you see on the screen. We'll come back again with more content. Until then, goodbye.